In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change your DNS record in GoDaddy. The first thing you need to do is log into your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, you need to head to the section labeled My Products. Once you're there, it's time to start scrolling through your product list until you find your domain, the one whose DNS record you wish to change. After you've located your domain, you need to find the Manage DNS option adjacent to it. Don't be in a rush. It might not be immediately noticeable, but it is there. Once you've spotted it, click on it. This will navigate you down deeper into your domain settings, specifically focusing on the section where you can make DNS changes. Let's now get into some editing. You will be redirected to a screen filled with a list of your current domain name system or DNS records. Your main mission here is to pinpoint the A record that you want to alter. This A record is singled out by its type column, which specifically has an A in it. Next to that record, you will spot a pencil icon indicating an Edit opportunity. Feel free to tap on this pencil icon. It's the key to making the desired changes to your A record. The next step focuses on updating your IP address, the main reason why you're in this DNS section. Here, you should look for the Value field and input the new IP address that's meant for your A record. Now, if you are not editing, but instead adding a new record, you will need to specify a name. A name can simply be @ for the root domain. It can also be a subdomain name like blog. After specifying a name, type in the value of the IP address in the Value field. Finally, we move to an essential part, which is saving the changes you just made. Find the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the record. Once you've found it, give it a click to apply all the modifications you've made to your DNS A record. However, I must caution that these DNS changes might not immediately take effect. In some cases, it can take up to 48 hours for these DNS changes to propagate across the internet. So patience is highly recommended in this matter. This marks the end of the steps on how to change your DNS A record on GoDaddy. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow.